Hey, Teacher Thoughts here, coming at you with another video. Well, I messed up. I messed up big time. I got all the big hanging baskets outside because I need some space inside. I went away from a weekend and I watered everything before I left. So everything was sopping wet because I wanted it to last all weekend because the individual I had watching the house wasn't going to go in and water all the plants. So everything stayed wet, and we got botrytis fungal rot that set into the petunias, and it did it in just 3.5 days. I thought it was going to be a nice weekend and it was going to warm up in the greenhouse, but instead we had flash flooding, heavy rain, and high humidity. That coupled with the heat in the greenhouse was a perfect storm. The plants were a little tight together. There wasn't good air circulation. Again, my fault. So now I've had to space everything out, and it set my petunias back a ways. So they're all spaced out now, and they don't look great. But here they are, all spaced out. I've got the heater on to help add some heat, and I've got a fan blowing in to try to give some air circulation. To fight botrytis, you can use fungicides, but one of the best ways is sunlight and airflow to try to dry things out in here. So I'm going to do a few other things. Humidity's always been a problem in this greenhouse, but I hadn't had botrytis issues. I'm going to come through tonight when I can wear a pair of rubber gloves because it's kind of gross, and I'm going to go through every single plant and clean them the best I can. I don't have time to do it right now, but I'll do it later this evening. The big plants are going to have to stay outside for right now. Hopefully we're not going to get below freezing. By the end of the week, this botrytis issue will be gone because we're supposed to be almost 80 and it's March, and we'll be 80 in like 2 days, but I don't want to lose my plants between now and then. Botrytis is a fungal infection. Looks like that. And it can show up rather quick in plants. So you got to kind of watch out for it. Airflow and reducing humidity is the way to prevent that from happening. But I don't have the big greenhouse to be able to space everything out. And then I tried using water tanks in here, but they're open top because they're also my lily pads. So they add extra humidity, and then the rain, and then the heavy watering, and the lack of airflow. And it's my mistake. Totally my mistake. I should have known better, but I thought the plants would dry out faster. So all the big plants are out to leave space for the little plants. And it just seems to be the fireflies that are suffering. All the other petunias are just fine, which is kind of frustrating. So I'm going to try to work to get these fish tanks out of here and not end up going to the rest of the things I have to do today smelling like a fish pond. But yeah, fish ponds in a greenhouse, probably not a great idea. Lack of circulation and tight quarters because my plants were growing and they were looking beautiful. Probably not a great idea. Well, anyway, I'm going to do my best to fix this. We'll see what I can do. I guess I'll do updates when I've got them, but right now, yeah, we have botrytis in the greenhouse. That's not affecting my hybrids, but it is affecting everything else. Anyway, this is greenhouse life. Ag Teacher Thoughts out.